Hi guys, welcome to another session. This is Johnny from Fight Digitals. Welcome once again. Today I want to show us, as you know, you are under the Facebook course, this is training. Today I want to show us how to create a Facebook page. I know someone is excited. How to create a Facebook page through your Facebook account. Yes, you are going to use your Facebook account. So straight to business. Okay, I'm going to use Facebook Lite. Okay, you can use Facebook.com, you can use your Chrome, you can use your browser, you can also use Facebook Lite if you have it. All right, so this is my Facebook Lite, as you can see. So when I use my Facebook, follow me. Click on this side. You click on this side. Okay, can you see it? You click on that side. Once you click on it, all right. So after you have done that, you look for page. Page. This is page. Click on page. Very simple. Click on page. Okay, like these are the pages I have. Jennifer Christ, Harry John, Jennifer Christ data. These are the pages I have that I'm running. It will show you you can have more than 2, 3, 4 pages with your single account. All pages are connected to your normal Facebook account. I believe everybody have a Facebook account. Okay, if you don't have, hit me up. Let me show you how to get that. But I believe everybody have. So click on create. Click on create. Can you see? Click on create. Follow it. It's very simple. Get started. Very simple. Get started. All right. What do you want to name this page? We are doing this. Let's just give this page any name. Okay. Let's give this page any name. As a digital marketer, let's just give it Benson DG. Okay. Benson digital marketing. All right. So this is the name that will appear. Okay. Next. All right, look at the category that we have here. Based on what to put, if you don't see your category here, can you see all the categories? You can see all the categories they have here. You can see all categories. So if your category is not here, you can easily add category. You can easily look at category. It is not here. Okay. So let's just say digital marketing. Digital marketing. Okay, so digital marketing is also digital marketing. Let's go back. So let's call it a consulting agency. All right, you are good to go. You can see add more. Every so that I can add digital creator. Okay, so you can add as many as possible that you want. Next. All right, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Okay, do you have a website for? Do you have a website? If you don't have, we can link your website to the page. If you don't have, okay, if you want to create a website, get back to us. We can create a website for you very fast and simple. So you can skip this stage. Okay. All right, this is very important. You have to know this aspect. This is very important. Okay, we have the cover picture and we have the normal picture. Okay, we have the normal picture and we have the cover picture. All right, so your normal picture is one that will show if everybody comes to your very come. Both will show, but your cover picture is one you're using for advertisement when you want to run ads, and your normal picture is one that will show to people when they visit your site. So you can create logo for your cover picture. You can go to Canva. Go to Canva. Canva will show you how to create a cover picture very fast. Template. Okay. So DG Consulting. Let me just see what you can pick for this one. Benson. Uh, just use anything. Just use anything. Okay. Let's say I'm using this. Okay. For Benson Digitals. Alright, so you do for cover. Cover photo. Just use anything for cover photo that will talk about something that they are doing. That's for cover photo. Let me just use this. Out of my course. Let me just use this. Alright, so can you see? You just put it in form of that. So after that, you click on this and you are done. Can you see? That is a simple way of doing, of creating a page. That is it. So the remaining settings, everything settings will be done in the next video. Alright, so these are simple ways of doing that. So you can do the remaining touching yourself. And this is what we just use. You can do the remaining touching yourself, edit public details, edit anything. If you want to use avatar, you can use avatar. Put your bio. Bio means details of what you do about yourself. Put it there. All these things, it has to be done in it's optimization, and it has to be done. Okay, you can give it to people to help you do it. If you are good in doing that, copywriters, you can good in doing that. Put it there. Okay, this is not a chatting, playing page. This is your business page. No, make it your business page. So in the next video, I'm going to show us other things I need to do to set up a page. Okay, I believe you have gained value. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss the next video I'm going to do, and click on the like button so that this thing can move down to everyone that need it. Okay, so we'll move to the next class. Thank you. Even some people don't know how to create all these things. You can start creating pages for people and be collecting your money. So when this is your own personal business page, make sure you use it. Listen to this well. All right.